Hello, I'm Colin from HDCCTV.co.uk. This video is about the OAHD-D4. It's a 720p 4-channel analog high-definition DVR. This DVR will display and record 4 cameras at 720p HD resolution. 720p HD is 1280 by 720 pixels. It comes supplied with software for Windows PC computers, and a free mobile app is available for Apple and Android mobile phones and tablet devices. The DVR can be connected directly to any television or computer monitor using HDMI, VGA and BNC video connections. It's quite a compact box at 25 by 25 by 5 cm. This means it has space inside for one internal hard drive for recording. Recordings can be exported via USB to a stick or hard drive should you require a permanent backup. Let's have a look at the on-screen menus and graphical interface. When you first switch the DVR on, you are presented with a boot up menu. You can disable this boot menu by putting a tick in the Do Not Prompt box. Click Next to proceed. Now you are presented with some QR codes. If you have a QR code reader on your phone, you can use it to link to the app, or you can simply search for the app. The 2 apps that work with the system are GooLink and NI. Click OK to close the boot menu and the DVR is ready for use. To access the main menu, click the right mouse button and select Main Menu, and now you are presented with a login screen. The default admin password is 123456. Here is the main menu. Let's have a whiz through the menu and its functions. Record mode. Here you can select the record mode for all the cameras: auto, manual or off. You can click on the All button to make them all the same mode, or set each one separately by ticking the relevant box. Auto is the mode that refers to the record scheme. Using the record scheme you can fully program each camera individually. I'll show you this in a few moments. Manual is permanent recording, like pressing a record button on a DVD recorder. And off is not recording at all. Click OK to save the setting changes, or cancel to discard them and to go back to the main menu. Video mode is for setting up each camera's record frame rate, bitrate type, audio, bitrate, snapshot settings and additional settings such as camera naming, time display and privacy settings. Click the App or Apply button to save your changes. The Record Scheme tab is on top of the video mode screen. Here you can see how the DVR is set to behave when set to the auto record mode. You can see the days of the week and config buttons. Clicking the config button brings up the scheme editor for that day to allow you to program specific times for different record modes. A typical example of how this would be used would be a business that wants to record constantly during opening hours, but to record only when motion is detected out of office hours. The backup button shows you any USB devices plugged into the DVR. Click Detect to refresh the screen, and any USB stick plugged in will show here. You can format it if required, or click Backup to open the backup window. Here you can select the camera, date and time you want to backup, and then press the search to find the file to backup. Tick the boxes on the left of the files you want to backup and then press Start to begin. Next is the network button. Here is where you would configure the network settings for the DVR. PTZ config is for setting up a motorised camera for remote control by the DVR. Hdd Management shows you the hard disk drive fitted in the machine. You can also format the drive from here if you require. P2P QR codes, these bring up the codes that you saw during the boot menu. The system menu takes you to another sub-menu where you can set up the system date and time, username and passwords, and also the DVR mode. You would use a DVR mode if you want to use your existing older analog cameras with newer AHD cameras. Display lets you set up the monitor and menu settings as well as screen sequencing. Restore allows you to reset the DVR to factory settings. And Maintain is for auto rebooting the DVR and to file save settings. Upgrade is for updating the DVR's firmware. Alarm is for any system issues. The DVR will alert you either by on-screen alert or via email. This DVR does not have any external alarm inputs or outputs for connection to burglar alarms. If you right-click the mouse while still logged in, you get a small quick menu with some commonly used functions such as main menu, playback, PTZ control, colour settings, record mode and screen modes. That's all for now. This DVR is available in 4, 8 and 16 channel versions, all available from our website now, HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.